You can check news. Here are your alerts if you have any. And then also mailbox. You can get this directly. This is usually will come in from your broker. And then your journal is everything that happens. So if something goes wrong, an order gets fouled up, you'll be able to see right in this screen everything that was sent through your computer. So if there was a mistake, you'll be able to come over here and talk to your broker and tell them, okay, it's message number 1325688. It said that it was accepted, but I don't see it on my screen. You see? Or you can say, look, I've got message 1325668. It says that the sell stop was accepted, but I don't see it on my screen. Or I didn't get filled. Or what's going on? Now, if you come over here to the trade window, you can see here that the profit is 0. That means there's no position open, or it means that there's just nothing been filled yet. And then here you can see the orders. Here's our sell limit. Remember, we put in just a couple of orders. Sell limit 96.19. Here's a stop loss column, so you can see, do I have a stop? Here's your target price. TP stands for target price. Then here's the price of the market. This was when you placed the order. And here would be the commission. Now, with Interbank FX, with the normal account, there is no commission. You can scroll through and see all your orders here. In fact, let me make this a little bit bigger. So you can see right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 orders in the market. You'll notice also they're color-coded right here. The orange-red is for short or sell. The blue is for buy. That way you can tell them apart at a glance. So we can see here we've got a buy limit. Now what happens if we want to do something with this? You can double-click it, and right away you can see your entry, you can see what price it's at, and you can modify the order. So you click on Modify Order. Let's say we want to add a stop loss. So if we're going to buy here, right, that's what we're modifying. Remember, we're modifying this buy order. We can set our stop loss and our take profit. See that? Right from this one screen. So if we're going to buy here, we want the market to come down and hopefully go back up, there would be our 20 pips. And then you click on Modify, and it'll tell you whether it was successful or not. You press OK. Now we can go back to the screen. You can see now we have a stop. Now we have a target. Here was the price when we placed the order. Now, what if you want to just straight out cancel the order? You've got an order in, you realize, man, I really don't want that on there. You can select the order, right-click, select Modify or Delete. See this? Just click on Delete, and it tells you. Sell limit was deleted. Click on OK, and it's gone. You're never going to get filled on that order again. If you need to delete more of them, you can simply Modify or Delete. Click on Delete, and you can see it's very, very easy. We'll just go ahead and take all these orders off. Delete. OK. Delete. There we go. Now you can see also on the chart now, all of those dashed lines are gone. Now, once you have no orders on, my suggestion would be to just close the terminal window. There's no reason to have it on. And if you're not looking to trade, I would close the market watch as well. That way you've got your charts and you don't have to worry about anything cluttering up the screen. Okay, so let's talk about how to change some of the colors, and then we'll move on. If you go up here to Charts and then Properties, this window will come up. And this is where you can change the colors. Okay, you see here you've got the stop levels. You can change your stop levels to a different color if you want. You can make sure that they're easier or harder to see. If you want them to fade into the background instead of a bright orange-red, maybe a dark gray would work best. That way they're on the screen, but they're not really getting in the way. I mean, we've got lines on the chart already, so it may just be that you don't want the clutter